Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can set an event to repeat or repetition in your calendar using the Cozi family organizing application. So let us dive into this. Head over to the Cozi app, log into it, for example, via the web version, and then left click here into the calendar on the left hand side. Then browse through your calendar and click into the given event. Next guys, what you want to do is scroll down and here under repeat, click into this button and choose one of these options. For example, repeat every day or every week on a custom date, or you can go with one of these options or set a custom repetition here, days, weeks, month, years. For example, every 2 weeks, and then add the 2 here, or 3 every 1 month, 2 months. Click into done here to save this repetition. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.